Oh shoot. Look at there. That's no bueno right there. So here we go. On-road tire repair. For those of you that aren't familiar, this is the Tough Claw from Ram Mount. Can attach to just about anything. Super, super cool. Alright, so now let's take a look at the back of the bike over there. It's going to be the tire repair. We just went and found out that we have a nail right here in the tire. So I have my trusty slime micro compressor there. And this is going to be my tire repair stuff. So I have a reamer and a plugger, some things, and rubber cement. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. We'll see if I can get it in without today. Anyway, first step, let me get this nail out. Oh, look at that. It's not even a full nail. Super sucky. Check it out. Not even a full nail. But that's good. If it was a full nail, I kind of run the risk, if I were to leave it in there, of it actually jabbing my tubeless system and breaking that out. So of course I don't want to toss this on the ground, because then either I could run it over or somebody else could run it over. No good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my reamer. I'm gonna wring this thing out. Alright. Now, I'll go ahead and grab a plug. These don't feel as sticky as they usually are, or as fat, which is kind of interesting. Double stack these. So make sure we get a good seal in there. So you're going to want to go in pretty far, pretty good way. So you're going to have about that much cord hanging out of the tire. Alright. Ready? 1, 2. There we go. Where's my razor blade? There she is. Okay. Alright, now I got the plug in. Go ahead and put some air in this thing. This is a super cool tool made by AccuGauge. So this plugs in and it's going to allow us to see pressure. Right now there is none, but that's to be expected, as we just lost all of our air. We're now going to take our micro pump here, plug it in, and now we're going to go ahead and turn it on. Now as it's pumping, we're going to be able to see the pressure increase. Oh, that's cute. iPhone, look at that. It's shut down for the temperature. And that sucks. I guess we should take it out of the blazing sun. How hot is it right now anyway? What's up? Here we are. Micro tire pumping. I don't know how much you got from that last clip because the phone shut down because it's sitting inside the sun. But we're currently pressurizing the tire. You can see it's about 20 psi now. We're just cranking away on that bad boy. If you missed it earlier, we got a nail stuck inside the tire. Let me see if I should have that here. Here it is. This guy was in the tire. This is basically what those strands look like. For whatever reason, I remember these being thicker in the past, but these ones are pretty thin. So we just put 2 strands together, threw it in the tire, and now we're pumping it up. I'm probably looking for like 36 psi. Good old on-road tire repair. Oh, did it shut off again? Oh, look at that. iPhone temperature. Needs to cool down before you can use it again. Here, you go in the cool dark cave of a tank bag. Alright. There we go. We're up to right there at 36 PSI. Go ahead and detach this guy, detach this guy. Throw my cap back on. Unplug this guy. And this guy I usually just wrap up in a towel to keep it kind of protected while it's inside the tank bag. My pump I usually stick down on the bottom. Pressure gauge towards the top because I use that more often. Yep, 2 strands left. And then this guy here, I have patches in here. I've got plugs. I think I even have a stop and go in there. That's an interesting one if you haven't seen that before. Pliers. Alright, we've effectively plugged this tire. Oh, look at that. Much better. Alright. Although 20 PSI, I'm really surprised that I was able to feel that as I was jamming onto the freeway. Alright, and there we have it. Tire repair on road. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.